Hi, I'm Chef Chris Wilson, Corporate Chef for United Family of Stores. I'm in my test kitchen today and we're going to talk about putting a twist on your holiday dressing and stuffing. This is a southwestern twist we put to a traditional cornbread dressing. We simply added white onions that we've sauteed, a southwestern mixed frozen corn, and fresh roasted hatch chilies. If you don't feel like roasting your own chilies, we sell these hatch chilies in our frozen section. Just thaw and add to your dish. We've added a twist to this bread dressing by adding tart cherries and Italian sausage. Simply mix it into your ingredients and seasoning and put in your pan. There's a lot of things you could add to this, like currants instead of dried cherries. You can also add a pre-cooked wild rice mix or make it your own. Cranberries is another great alternative. When we talk about the bread, there's numerous things we can do with bread. We carry a wide variety of artisan breads made fresh in our bakery. You can use French bread, you can use breads that we have as a cranberry bread that works great. For a healthy alternative, in our frozen section, we carry a wide variety of sprouted grain breads to add a nice healthy heartiness to your stuffing. What I've done here is taken a basic turkey gravy and added some fresh herbs. I've added some rosemary, chives, and just a tad bit of sage. Sage can be really strong, so be careful with that. Another great alternative to adding some twist to your gravy is adding a flavored mustard. This happens to be an old style grain mustard. Very strong as well, so be careful with that. Another great addition to your gravy would be a nice dry white wine. After adding all the additional ingredients, simply pour it into a serving pot, place it on the stove, and heat. These recipes and others are available on our website.